Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer meeting notes from Zoom to Notion with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Zoom and start your meeting. Once your meeting is in progress, locate the record button on the toolbar. Click on record to begin capturing the session. After your meeting ends, Zoom will process the recording. Once processing is complete, visit the Zoom website and log into your account. Navigate to the recordings section from the dashboard. Here, you'll find the recording of your meeting listed. Select the relevant recording to view its details. Click on the transcript option if available, to view the auto-generated notes. Review the transcript for accuracy and make any necessary edits. Highlight the text you want to transfer to Notion. Copy the selected text using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac. Now, open Notion in your web browser or app. Navigate to the page where you want to store your meeting notes. Click on an empty block and paste the copied text using Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. Consider formatting the notes using headers, bullet points, or other Notion features for better organization. To enhance your notes with AI, explore Notion's AI tool. Click on the AI icon or use the command / and type AI. Input prompts to summarize the notes or generate action items. Review the AI-generated content and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with the notes, add any additional comments or tasks related to the meeting. Finally, ensure the page is saved, so you can access it later. You have successfully transferred your Zoom meeting notes to Notion using AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.